Jordan is a country located in the Middle East, bordered by Israel, Syria, Iraq, and Saudi Arabia. The capital city of Jordan is Amman, which is one of the oldest inhabited cities in the world. Jordan has a population of approximately 10 million people, with a majority of Arab descent. The official language of Jordan is Arabic, and English is also widely spoken. Jordan is known for its rich history, dating back to ancient times, with sites such as Petra and Jerash. Petra is an ancient city carved into pink sandstone cliffs and is one of the new 7 wonders of the world. The Dead Sea, located in Jordan, is the lowest point on Earth and known for its high salt content, making it easy to float in the water. Jordan is a predominantly Muslim country, with Islam being the official religion. The Jordanian flag consists of 3 horizontal stripes, black, white, and green, with a red triangle pointing towards the hoist side. The currency used in Jordan is the Jordanian dinar, which is one of the strongest currencies in the Middle East. Jordan has a desert climate with hot summers and cool winters, with most of the rainfall occurring between November and April. The national dish of Jordan is mansaf, which is a traditional dish made of lamb cooked in a yogurt sauce and served with rice. The traditional dress for men in Jordan is the kafiyah and thawb, while women wear a dress called a thawb or abaya. Jordan is a popular destination for tourists, known for its historical sites, nature reserves, and hospitality. The Wadi Rum Desert in Jordan is a popular filming location for movies, including Lawrence of Arabia and The Martian. The Jordanian royal family is highly respected and plays a significant role in the country's politics and culture. Jerash is an ancient Roman city in Jordan, known for its well-preserved ruins, including a hippodrome and ancient temples. The city of Aqaba in Jordan is located on the Red Sea and is known for its beautiful beaches and coral reefs, making it a popular spot for water sports. Jordan has a thriving arts and culture scene, with many museums, galleries, and theaters throughout the country. The Temple of Hercules in Amman is a popular tourist attraction, with its towering columns and panoramic views of the city. The Jordan River flows through Jordan, Israel, and Palestine, and is considered a sacred river in Christianity. The Ajloun Castle in northern Jordan is a 12th century fortress built by the Ayyubids, known for its strategic location and stunning views. Mkes is an ancient Roman city in Jordan, known for its well-preserved ruins, including a theater, basilica, and mausoleum. Amman Citadel is a historical site in Jordan, featuring ancient ruins, including the Temple of Hercules and the Umayyad Palace. The Dana Biosphere Reserve in Jordan is the largest nature reserve in the country and home to a diverse range of plant and animal species. Jordan has a rich tradition of handicrafts, including pottery, weaving, and embroidery, which are often sold in local markets. The Al-Mada site in Jordan is believed to be the place where Jesus was baptized by John the Baptist and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The village of Faynan in Jordan is a popular ecotourism destination, known for its sustainable practices and stunning desert landscapes. The Ma'in hot springs in Jordan are a popular destination for relaxation and wellness, with hot mineral water springs and natural waterfalls. The Amman International Film Festival is a popular event in Jordan, showcasing films from around the world and promoting local talent. The Islamic Museum in Amman is a popular attraction in Jordan, featuring artifacts and exhibits related to Islamic art and culture. The Royal Automobile Museum in Amman is a must-visit destination for car enthusiasts, featuring a collection of vintage cars and motorcycles. The Mujib Nature Reserve in Jordan is known for its stunning landscapes, including canyons, waterfalls, and unique flora and fauna. The Kerak Castle in Jordan is a well-preserved Crusader castle, known for its strategic location and stunning views of the surrounding area. The Bedouin culture is an integral part of Jordanian society, with traditional practices and customs still being observed in many parts of the country. The Al-Muqawwir site in Jordan is believed to be the site of the Hero Dion Palace, where it is believed that John the Baptist was executed. The olive tree is a symbol of peace and prosperity in Jordan, with olive oil being a staple in Jordanian cuisine and culture. The Madaba mosaic map is a famous mosaic map located in the town of Madaba, Jordan, depicting the Holy Land and Jerusalem. The Citadel Hill in Amman is a popular tourist attraction, featuring ancient ruins, including the Temple of Hercules and the Umayyad Palace. The Namara and Ain Ghazal sites in Jordan are well-known archaeological sites, dating back to the Neolithic period and Bronze Age. The Azraq Wetland Reserve in Jordan is known for its unique ecosystems, including seasonal wetlands, desert landscapes, and bird species. The Hisham's Palace in Jordan is a well-preserved Umayyad palace, known for its stunning mosaics, courtyards, and architecture. The Ajlan Forest Reserve in northern Jordan is a popular destination for nature lovers, featuring hiking trails, wildlife, and stunning views. The Jordanian National Gallery of Fine Arts in Amman is a popular destination for art lovers, featuring contemporary and traditional art exhibits. The Roman Theatre in Amman is a well-preserved Roman amphitheatre, known for its stunning architecture and panoramic views of the city. The Hammamat Mine hot springs in Jordan are a popular destination for relaxation and wellness, with hot mineral water springs and natural waterfalls. The baptism site at Bethany beyond the Jordan is a sacred site in Jordan, believed to be the place where Jesus was baptized by John the Baptist. The Hellenistic and Roman ruins in Pella and Mkaz in northern Jordan are popular archaeological sites, known for their well-preserved ruins. The Kerak Castle in Jordan is a well-preserved Crusader castle, known for its strategic location and stunning views of the surrounding landscape. The Dana Biosphere Reserve in Jordan is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its diverse ecosystems, plants, and animals. The Mujib Nature Reserve in Jordan is a popular destination for adventure seekers, with activities such as hiking, canyoning, and wildlife watching. The Royal Tank Museum in Amman is a popular attraction for military history enthusiasts, featuring a collection of tanks and armored vehicles. The Aqaba Marine Park in Jordan is a popular spot for diving and snorkeling, with colorful coral reefs and a variety of marine life. The Royal Botanic Garden in Jordan is a popular destination for nature lovers, featuring a variety of plants, flowers, and ecosystems.